Hey guys, well we're back to some bad driving videos. I figured I'd bring you this collection I have saved up over time from my dash cam. This person, look how far back they stop, and they're like on the wrong side turning left, and where they are at they're not going to be able to see past that neighborhood sign, so I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, the cross guard has stopped, but pull up so you can see, so when she moves out of the way you can go. People are amazing. So every morning it's something different at the local school, as you can imagine. This person, I wish I would have pressed again because they failed at even turning left, but I only pressed the dash cam to save this recording once, so this is what I got. Just their stupidity. There's a few people that don't seem to know how to use the cross guards, the stop signs, and the kids walking. And then we have the classic here. Let's turn on our blinker. We're going to move over, and we're going to move over again. Why didn't they just fall in behind me? There was no one there. And then this is just fun. You know, it's the semi that went off the road, had a little oopsie. As you can see, these things are pretty amazing. I hope no one got hurt in that. Wow. Oh, and then the famous, you know, the semi pulls to the left, and takes 2 years to get around the semi in the right up there. And it's like, are we going to go? Are we going to make it? Come on, you can do it. You know you can do it. Why are you even doing this? Why don't you just stay to the right? Your speed difference isn't that much. And note, it's pretty flat, so it's not like there's a mountain coming up. The mountains, woo, in this section were not for a long ways. And of course, he gets just around right when we're going to lose lanes, but I'm able to get around him in the end. And here we go, no blinker. We're just gonna move on over. I kind of caught up to that red car there. This vehicle just wants to, I guess, hang out over here. It was no surprise there was a vehicle on the right. That's why we were going faster than those vehicles. People just, you know, at least use a blinker. I mean, do something. No, let people know what you're doing when you're changing lanes. And then here we are, this a little later on, and yeah, let's go flying around. Oh, but this is the kicker. You might be like, well, why didn't you move over? Well, because I'm stuck behind this red car. Look, they got stuck. Of course there's vehicles over there. And then they're all surprised like they can't get over to the left. I could tell they wanted back or left. Like, nope, I'm not letting you in. And, you know, I just kind of stayed there, made sure there wasn't that much room. Although leaving decent amount of distance. Could have left a little bit more, actually. I think that person was getting a little irritated with me, but there was traffic right on my tail, too, so it was that time of the day. As you see, I'm driving in the middle lane. I don't always drive in the fast lane, so. But look at this person. They're just going to go right across. No blinker. Just going to keep on going. Why not? They don't care. And I kind of left this in because you would think they're getting off, maybe. Maybe they were going to miss their exit. Nope, they're just going to continue on. So why did they even get over? That made no sense. Here I am, come up to a stop sign. Look at this truck. Yeah, we'll just go right on through. I don't care. Sitting at a light. Gotta love lights. Sitting there. Wow, what was that on the right? That was a motorcycle lane splitting in Colorado, which is not legal, and that's why people hate them. And then here's another motorcycle. He at least uses his blinker, but comes over, just swoops over. I don't even think he knew what it was around. He would be one of those that would be yelling on Moto Madness, "Oh my God," if I were speeding up, not expecting him just to swoop on over. So that's why he made this compilation. Be a good rider. Change lanes one at a time. Oh, this was recently. Look at that. Nope. Stop signs aren't for them. So, wow, guys, thanks for watching.